Hello, our awesome subscriber, our friends, and our lovely fans. A delight welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, this channel is uniquely and especially designed for fashion addict all over the world. And we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling and based on the feedback you are submitting. So friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. This is your host Asad Shah, and we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today I am gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of buckle ankle boots and chunky heels for women. These boots designs and colors are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And these boots are so comfortable and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry in formal or a casual events. And friends, these are the styles of boots every woman wants to wear and needs in his wardrobe. And friends, I have built a collection over a past few weeks, and I am extremely happy with my wear. So friends and my lovely fans, a humble request to all of my lovely viewers to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And if you don't press the bell icon, you will miss my further videos, and I don't want that you will miss any update from my channel. So my dear friends, these styles are not only fits with your style and your budget, but also manage to represent everything that is special about your personality. So friends and viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, please show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, don't forget to press the bell icon for our more updates. Friends and viewers, you can see latest dresses, baby dresses, handbags, shoes and everything that is related to current fashion. You can also watch every new fashion which is trending. So friends and fans, you can freely ask anything about fashion related queries like what outfit will suit you the most in current season, or which outfit are combinations trending these days to stay updated. Friends and viewers, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Watch this video completely, enjoy it, share it with your friends and families. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction, and don't forget to comment your suggestion. Friends, take care of yourself. Love you all.